10 Best Herbs and Their Benefits, Detailed Guide. Herbs have been used across cultures for thousands of years, not just for flavor, but for wellness, vitality, and everyday nourishment. Below is a deeper look at 10 of the most popular herbs, what they're known for, and why they're worth adding to your daily routine. 1. Rosemary Key Benefits. High in antioxidants, contains rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, which help protect cells from oxidative stress. Supports memory and focus. The aroma may help improve alertness and short-term recall. Anti-inflammatory. Helps the body manage everyday inflammation. Digestive support. Traditionally used to ease bloating and stimulate digestion. Hair and scalp wellness. Diluted rosemary oil is popular for scalp vitality. How to use. Add to roasted vegetables, potatoes, chicken, or brew as a tea. Use diluted rosemary oil for aromatherapy. 2. Oregano Key Benefits. Antioxidant powerhouse. Rich in phenols that help protect cells. Natural antimicrobial. Shows antibacterial and antifungal activity in lab settings. Digestive comfort. May help reduce gas and bloating. Respiratory support. Often used in teas or steam for soothing seasonal discomfort. Low sodium flavor. Adds depth without salt. How to use. Sprinkle on pasta, pizza, salads, or brew oregano tea. 3. Basil Key Benefits. Anti-inflammatory. Contains eugenol, which may help calm inflammation. Rich in antioxidants. Supports cellular health. Digestive support. Traditionally used to ease mild stomach discomfort. Stress-soothing aroma. The scent can feel calming and uplifting. Nutrient-dense. Provides vitamin K and small amounts of manganese. How to use. Add fresh basil to salads, pasta, soups, or blend into pesto. 4. Mint Key Benefits. Digestive relief. Known for easing bloating, gas, and mild nausea. Cooling and refreshing. Helps soothe the stomach and refresh the senses. Aroma for focus. The scent may help with alertness. Respiratory comfort. Often used in teas for a soothing effect. Versatile flavor. Works in sweet and savory dishes. How to use. Add to teas, smoothies, salads, or fruit bowls. 5. Parsley Key Benefits. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K. Supports immunity, skin health, and bone health. Natural detox support. Traditionally used to support kidney and liver wellness. Antioxidant content. Helps protect cells from oxidative stress. Freshens breath. A natural palate cleanser. Easy to add to meals. Works with almost any dish. How to use. Chop into salads, soups, stews, or use as a garnish. 6. Cilantro, coriander leaves, key benefits. Antioxidant rich. Helps support cellular health. Digestive support. Traditionally used to ease indigestion. Cooling herb. Refreshing flavor that lightens heavy meals. Natural detox support. Often associated with supporting the body's natural cleansing processes. Bright flavor. Enhances savory dishes. How to use. Add to tacos, curries, salads, soups, and dips like salsa or guacamole. 7. Thyme Key Benefits. Natural antimicrobial. Contains thymol, known for antibacterial and antifungal activity. Respiratory support. Traditionally used to soothe coughs and congestion. Antioxidant rich. Helps protect cells. Digestive comfort. May help ease bloating. Versatile in cooking. Works in soups, stews, and roasted dishes. How to use. Add to roasted vegetables, chicken, soups, or brew as a tea. 8. Sage Key Benefits. Antioxidant dense. Helps support cellular health. Memory support. Historically linked to cognitive clarity. Anti-inflammatory. Helps the body manage everyday inflammation. Oral wellness. Traditionally used for mouth and throat comfort. Grounding flavor. Earthy and warming. How to use. Use in stuffing, roasted dishes, teas, or savory sauces. 9. Turmeric Key Benefits. Strong anti-inflammatory. Contains curcumin, known for supporting joint comfort. Antioxidant rich. Helps protect cells from oxidative stress. Supports overall wellness. Often used in traditional practices for vitality. Pairs well with black pepper, Enhances curcumin absorption. Warming spice. Great for cold weather. How to use. Add to curries, soups, rice, smoothies, or golden milk. 10. Ginger key benefits. Digestive support. Helps ease nausea, bloating, and indigestion. Anti-inflammatory. Contains gingerol, which supports joint comfort. Warming and stimulating. May support circulation. Immune supportive. Often used in teas during seasonal discomfort. Versatile flavor. Works in sweet and savory dishes. How to use. Add to teas, stir-fries, soups, smoothies, or baked goods. Why herbs matter. Herbs are small but mighty. They offer natural antioxidants, gentle digestive support, anti-inflammatory compounds, aromatic benefits, nutrient boosts, flavor without excess salt or sugar. They're simple, accessible, and easy to incorporate into everyday meals. Please like, share, and subscribe.